This video is going to be pretty short because the application problems for this week use the matrix calculators. So we're just going to briefly go through them. 1, 2, and 3 are thinking questions. So you want to complete the reading in the textbook and think about, can we add any two matrices together? What would be a case where you couldn't if that's the case? Can you multiply it together? What would be a case where you couldn't? And then asking, does multiplication commute? So you would pick two matrices, A and B, multiply them this way, then multiply them this way to see if it's true. For 4 through 9, you're adding the elements. So if I do A plus B, that's 1 plus 2, 3 plus 14, 0 plus 2, 7 plus 6, and that gives you my answer matrix. So those are pretty straightforward and pretty easy. For 10, if I do scalar multiplication in 10 through 13, I multiply everybody in the matrix by 5. I multiply everybody in the matrix by -2. So this is pretty simple, no calculator needed. Just double check your multiplication here. Now, to complete the matrix exercise A times B, I did provide you with the matrix calculator. So we would go to matrix multiplication, and you would enter the dimensions of your matrix. These matrices are, this is a 2 by 2, this is a 3 by 2, or 2 by 3. I have 2 rows, 3 columns. So you're going to enter that in the matrix, enter them in, and multiply them together. Here, I'm just doing the same operations, A plus B, so you're going to add them together. And once you get that answer, you're going to subtract C from there. So these are a little more involved. They have 3 steps, but it's still the same principle. And then in 18 through 20, again, you have the matrix calculator to use. So these should be really straightforward. If you have any problems this week, definitely post in the weekly question thread or send me a message. I don't mind working out an example problem, but I don't anticipate this week to be as strenuous as week 1.